Mexico City. 700 years of stories stacked beneath your feet. And you're standing in a group, waiting for the guide to finish talking. Rushed past the Templo Mayor. Rushed past the murals inside the Palacio de Bellas Artes. A tight schedule leaving no room to actually look. Uvamai's Mexico City self-guided audio tour hands you 19 of the capital's most iconic landmarks, pre-Hispanic ruins, colonial masterpieces, revolutionary monuments, all narrated by an expert. For just $6, your private access link arrives straight to your inbox, a professional audio guide and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group. No rigid schedule. Just Mexico City at your pace. Stand where the Aztec Empire once ruled at the Templo Mayor. Walk beneath the golden dome of the Palacio de Bellas Artes. Wander the bohemian streets of Coyoacan. Cross into Chapultepec's forest and castle, then take in the artistry of the Museo Nacional de Antropología. Every stop, a chapter, told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Mexico City, not just photograph it. $6. 19 Mexico City landmarks. Your story of the city. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.